Hello, friends. Today I will show you how to make the standard single on-off switches in our house smart at a very low cost. I plan to smarten all the switch sockets at home. Our first stop is this switch. Let's get started.
For the device we will use is a Zigbee 3.0 module that does not require a neutral line. To connect this to the system, we need a Zigbee hub, internet, and our phone's Bluetooth to be on.
For those who haven't watched the video I made about connecting the hub, I'm leaving the link below. I recommend watching it first before removing the switch cover. If the covers were put on right after the wall was painted, they are likely stuck to the paint. Therefore, when removing the cover, gently run a utility knife along the edges to prevent the paint from peeling so you don't have to deal with paint repairs later. Now, let's carefully remove the cover. Make sure the cover is not stuck as you remove it. And then we will loosen the screws on the right and left and remove the switch. After loosening the screws again, let's check. The switch might also be stuck to the paint. If it doesn't come off when we pull gently, as I said, use a utility knife to go around the edges. Again, be careful not to damage the paint. Now we will proceed to the cable removal process. But there is an important point we need to pay attention to. First, we need to find the cable we call the phase, which carries electricity, because we need to connect this cable to the line-in terminal of our device. Let's use a test pen to find the phase cable with electricity. After checking, we found our electricity. Let's set that cable aside.
Later, since we will insert these cables into our device's terminal, we need to shorten the ends so that no cable is left outside. Let's prevent getting shocked and at least avoid a short circuit in our device. As I said, this device does not need neutral at all. It completes the circuit from the lamp. Once the connections are made, the LED light on the device will start blinking. We will see this.
Now we connect our phase cable to the line-in input. This is very important, friends. That's why I have to keep repeating it. We connect the other remaining cable to the line-out input. After connecting to the line-out input, as you can see, the light started blinking. Now we move to our phone. After opening the Tuya app on our phone, let's press the plus button at the top right and say Add Device. The app
Select the gateway will appear. Here we select the OZigBee hub we set up earlier. When the device is found, one of us will name it and say completed.
we can give it any name we want. I would write bedroom light. If you are connecting to the living room, write living room light. Here, the name is not very important. You can write whatever you want.
After typing, we say completed. After saying completed, let's test our system by pressing the on-off button. If it works and there are no issues, the process is complete. Now it's time to connect our existing switch for daily use. Our switch has two output terminals.
Regardless of the end, we will connect these to the S1 and S2 terminals on the module since the cable entry of my switch is a push-pull terminal. It might be the screw type you have. Don't let this confuse you. Since there is electricity while making the connection, let's first connect the wires to the switch, then connect them to the S1 and S2 inputs of the device. After doing this, let's manually test it to ensure there are no issues. If the switch does not turn the light on and off, press the button on the module 3 times quickly. The light will also blink rapidly. After that, the S1 and S2 inputs will be activated. If it doesn't light up when we test it, if our test is successful, we place our device inside the case and mount the switch as before. It's that simple. Here's another important reminder. After placing the device inside, the switch case may touch the button under the light. So let's place the device as far back as possible to the bottom of the case. Let's feel and see that it is nicely settled and supported there so that when inserting the key, if that button is pressed, it might reset our device or turn the light on and off. Or if it does this, our system won't work efficiently. Now you can control your light either from the switch, your phone, or with voice assistants. If there's anything I haven't explained, or if you have any questions, be sure to write them in the comments and I'll help. I hope this video has been useful. If you liked it, don't forget to like and follow. Goodbye.